Welcome back, everybody. It's a wonderful first day of school here at Perry Elementary. I'm Frank Mandera. I'm the principal here at Perry, and I'd like to welcome all of you to a wonderful school year. I know all your teachers and staff have been very excited to get you in the classroom and be working with you on our PAWS and also reading and math and science and social studies. So this is going to be a wonderful year, boys and girls. Many of you noticed a lot of changes that happened at Perry, so some different classroom locations, some different things with furniture. We have a lot of neat things such as our smart panels, so we're looking forward to educating you every day and making sure it is the best experience that you have. So every morning we will have morning announcements that will be done this way. We will have students participating starting tomorrow. And then after that, we will also have things called PAWS, which is our focus for behaviors within the building, which focus on positive attitude, academic achievement, working hard, and showing respect. We will review all lunch choices also for today. So also today's lunch choices would be a French toast bites, 3 cheese calzone, and Italian sandwich. And teachers, this will let you know if we have any updates whatsoever for our after-school lists. We will let you know. I know all of you received those yesterday from Mrs. Fuller, but if we have any changes throughout the day, we will get you an updated list at the end. Boys and girls, what we will do is we'll normally do PAWS at this time, which is usually sponsored by some students, and then we will follow that up with a moment of silence. After we do the moment of silence, then we do our Pledge of Allegiance. So for right now, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. And then our second slide, or second part of our presentation, is always our Pledge of Allegiance. So we will have students participating and leading our Pledge of Allegiance starting tomorrow. Today we're going to celebrate our armed services, so people who fight overseas, at home and abroad, to help protect us and make sure that we have wonderful days like our first day of school today. So at this time, let's please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And then that would conclude our announcements normally. So at this time, boys and girls, make sure you follow all directions from your teachers today. You're going to be learning a lot, especially about the procedures of what's happening at Perry this year. And I'm sure that you'll be learning about some fun things happening within your classrooms. I'll see you out and about. Have a wonderful day. It's the first day, so make a memory, make it special.